Hey everybody, welcome back to the Driveway Engineer. I'm JR. This is Peanut. This is Coconut. They're here to help me today. I'm working on my shelves and working on getting together an actual biodiesel processor for you guys. But I want to try to clear the air. I've said this a few times. B100 and vegetable oil are not the same thing, okay? You make vegetable oil into B100 by adding chemicals and taking stuff out and heating it. That's a process. Vegetable oil that this will run on and this 7.3 Power Stroke will run on without a problem is just vegetable oil. The process to put it in your vehicle is as simple as what I'm going to show you right here. Watch out, Peanut. I'm making a big mess. Little Harbor Freight transfer pump. This thing runs on like a D-cell. And if I can... So the reason to turn it into B100 is so you can get the viscosity down, the thickness, how runny it is or is not. And in the colder weather, that matters a lot more. For this, a quick way to do it is just cut it with diesel. So this has some diesel in it. Alright, apparently it's not wanting to work right now. Let me bring you right back. So apparently my batteries were dead in here, which is certainly fortuitous. I try to do this one-handed. But you let this stuff sit for like 2 weeks, everything bad falls to the bottom, and that's... Alright, tank 39. So yeah, let it sit for a few weeks. All the bad stuff will go to the bottom. And you can siphon off the top. And any older diesel will run just fine on this, especially if you cut it like 50-50 with diesel fuel. I'm actually going to pause you one more time, go out and get a bucket and bring it back so you can see this. And there we go. It's really about that easy. Just stay away from that stuff on the bottom. And you'll have yourself a full tank and a merry little Christmas. I'm going to wind up pumping about 4 gallons in here and then topping it off with diesel fuel to try to keep my ratio. As you can see, I don't exactly have a functioning dash at the moment, so it's a little bit hard for me to maintain my ratios correctly at the moment, but so yeah, I'll bring you guys back and we'll fire it up. Alright, so you can see this is a 5-gallon tote. I probably pumped 3.5-4 gallons off. You can see this discolored stuff down here. Just stay away from that. But a 17-gallon tank, so it's a little diluted in there, which is what I want. In a little bit we'll go for a ride and see how well it works. But yeah, for older stuff, like I said, Power Stroke 7.3, OM617, just put it in. Just, you don't have to do anything. Don't complicate it. We'll go for a ride here in a minute and see how it does.